In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a Turnitin Plagiarism Framework assignment in Canvas. Please note, this is available to those teachers in high schools only at Decatur, Federal Way, Todd Beamer, Thomas Jefferson, Truman, Federal Way Public Academy, and Taft Academy. Once you're logged into Canvas as an instructor, from the global navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page, select either the Courses tab or the Dashboard tab to select the course in which you would like to create your assignment. I'm going to start at the Dashboard tab, and I'm going to create my assignment in a sandbox course that I've created. Once I'm in my course, I'm going to go to the Course Navigation menu, and I can either select Assignments, where I can create an assignment that can be placed in a module at a later time, or I can go to Modules if I know where I want my assignment to be in my course navigation. From this course, I know I want my assignment to be in this first module. I can select the plus button. When I select that, in the Add Items window, I select that I'm going to add an assignment. You can see in that drop down there are several options. I'm going to leave it at Assignment. In the window below, I'm going to select New Assignment. And I'm going to give this assignment a name. Here, I'm just going to call it Essay. And then I'll add that item. That way, it's already in a module where I can reposition it if needed. Once I have that assignment shell created, I select it. And since that shell is empty, there's no assignment in it yet, I can go to the Edit button to create the details and content of my assignment. Here I already have a title. In the Rich Content Editor, I can add additional content such as text, videos, images, or embedded documents that can serve as prompts or guidance for my assignment. After I've added that content, I assign a point value. I'm going to assign 10 points to this assignment. I'll leave it in the Assignments group, and I select how I want that grade to be displayed. For now, I'm going to leave it as points. Under Submission Type, this is what will make the difference between a normal assignment and an assignment using the Turnitin Plagiarism Framework. I want to make sure under Submission Type I select Online. This will give me several online entry options. To access the Turnitin Plagiarism Review tools, I select File Uploads. Notice when I do that, Plagiarism Review appears as an option. In the Plagiarism Review box, I'm going to select the drop-down menu and select Turnitin, which will give me my Turnitin Plagiarism Review options. In the Turnitin Plagiarism Review box, I can select the options that I want to customize for my assignment. We're going to store submissions in a standard paper repository. This will allow us to compare submissions against other student submissions in the repository. If we leave these other boxes checked, it will also allow us to compare the submission against website content, periodicals, journals, and publications. Under Similarity Report, we can also decide if there are certain sources we'd like to exclude, like bibliographic materials. We can also exclude quoted materials. You can exclude small sources, and you can enable grammar checking using ETS E-Rater technology. Once you've selected the options for this assignment, you also have the ability to save these settings as your default settings for future plagiarism review assignments. Finally, you can select how and when you want students to be able to view the similarity report once it's generated. Once you've selected all of your Turnitin plagiarism review options, you can select other options for your assignment, including who you want to assign the assignment to, when it's due, and when it's available. Finally, you're going to select Save and Publish if your assignment's ready to be shared with scholars in your course, or you can select Save and your assignment can be published at a later date. If you need additional resources, remember that you can go to Web Central and find technology guides and how-to to get additional tutorials. You can go to your on-site support at your building, your technology integration coach, or your tech support lead, or you can go to the help desk.